So here we are down the flying field on one of the first days of summer. Really enjoying it now. We've had a long enough winter, we're out playing with our big toys. So this is the OMP Hobby 74-inch Edge 540 from my friend Darren at iActiveRC.com. 74-inch 3D capable aeroplane, if you put it in the right hands, not necessarily my hands, with a SunnySky 12S power system and an EOLO carbon propeller. Now, Trev, who's on camera, put this together for me, and I'm sure he's told me a few times that it really is a nice kit to put together. So let's just show you quickly inside some really nice features on this, Trev.
Yep, yeah, really nice fittings and that. It was really easy to put together. There's nothing complicated about it.
No. So if you go into macro mode on the cam, just to show you well, first thing is the canopy is very easy to take off. You've got these easy catches inside the airframe. You can see it's mostly carbon and Kevlar. There is some wood in here, but not a lot. Then you've got for the wing, it's secured on each side at 3 points. You've got these catches, but you've also got the traditional screw in there. And
also, if the wing's not latched on properly, the canopy won't go on as a safety measure.
Yeah.
So that's quite a neat little feature.
Yes, so it makes sure these latches are actually down, so that is unlatched, and it wouldn't go on unless that is down. That's a good point, Trev. And I'm using an FrSky X8R receiver that I had around with my Radiomaster TX16S. Both kind of inexpensive receiver and radio transmitter on 12S, so two 6S packs serial together, 4,000 packs, will give me about 6-7 minutes of flight time if I'm not ragging it around at full throttle. So there you go, let's get it in the air, let's see how it flies. Ridiculous high rates. You can put this on 45 degrees of throw, but I'll take off on mid, I think. So suits different flying styles really. I'm more of a smooth flyer, I'd say, rather than an out and out 3D pilot. That's about half the rudder throw, half throttle. Knife edge left to right, right to left, sorry. Go for a loop.
That's a SunnySky motor in there, isn't it?
SunnySky, yeah.
Yeah, they've got bags of power.
Becoming better known, I think, SunnySky. Floats along, it really does. As we slow down, pulling in the elevator, the wind is on my back today.
Yeah. Yeah, that was good. What was that?
Just high alpha, it just locks in.
Yeah, it went into it so smooth as well.
Look at that, just balancing it on the power and the elevator, really.
Nice.
It's a warm day, but I wouldn't say it's a perfect day. In a crosswind, it's a little bit challenging, but otherwise, fantastic machine to fly. Really going to enjoy this over summer. Thanks for watching Essential RC, always appreciate that. Look this up on iActiveRC.com, the link is in the video description and the pinned comment. But thanks to Trev for filming, be back soon. Bye.